Hello IG Garage family. Is your check engine light on and your scanner shows P0147? This means your oxygen sensor heater isn't working, which can lead to higher fuel consumption and failed emissions tests. In this video, we'll explain what P0147 means, where the sensor is located, and how to fix it step by step. Watch till the end to avoid costly repairs. The P0147 trouble code stands for Oxygen Sensor Heater Circuit Malfunction, Bank 1 Sensor 3. So, your car's oxygen sensor heater, well, it actually helps the sensor reach the right temperature much faster, which means it can accurately measure oxygen levels a lot sooner. If that heater fails though, the sensor might take way too long to activate, and that can lead to poor fuel efficiency and higher emissions. Here are some symptoms of P0147 you'll want to watch out for. The check engine light comes on, you might notice poor fuel economy, increased emissions like black smoke from the exhaust, a delayed response from the oxygen sensor, and even a failed emissions test. Now let's talk about the common causes of P0147. First, you could have a blown fuse for the oxygen sensor heater. The fuse might just be damaged. Second, a faulty oxygen sensor in Bank 1, Sensor 3. The heater inside the sensor itself may have failed. Third, broken or corroded wiring, since wiring damage can interrupt power to the heater. Fourth, a faulty relay or issues with the ECM, which means the ECM might not be sending power to the heater. And finally, exhaust system problems like leaks or blockages can also affect the sensor's readings. So, let's talk about Bank 1, Sensor 3. Bank 1 is actually the side of your engine that contains cylinder 1. Sensor 3 is what we call the downstream oxygen sensor, and it's located after the catalytic converter pretty close to the muffler. This particular sensor is responsible for monitoring the efficiency of your catalytic converter. Now, about the wiring harness. This sensor uses a 4-wire connector, and that includes a heater circuit. The fuse for that heater circuit is, well, usually found in the engine bay fuse box. It's important to check for any burnt, melted, or broken wires, especially around the exhaust system. Alright, next up, check the oxygen sensor wiring and the fuse. Inspect the oxygen sensor heater fuse, and if it's blown, make sure to replace it. Also, look for any broken or melted wires near the sensor, just to be thorough. Alright, let's move on to testing the oxygen sensor heater circuit. First, you'll want to use a multimeter to check if power is actually reaching the sensor. If you find there's no power, then you'll need to check the relay and the ECM output to figure out where the issue is coming from. Next up, if you discover that the heater inside the sensor has failed, it's important to replace it with a high-quality or OEM oxygen sensor. And while you're at it, be sure to inspect the exhaust system too, since a leaking or clogged catalytic converter can also cause sensor issues. Now once you've made those repairs, go ahead and use an OBD-II scanner to clear the P0147 code. After that, drive for a few miles and check if the check engine light stays off. That's how you confirm the problem's been solved. That's how you fix P0147 O2 sensor heater circuit malfunction, Bank 1, Sensor 3. If your car is burning extra fuel or failing emissions, hey, make sure to check your oxygen sensor and heater circuit. For more car fixes, watch these next P0047 turbocharger or supercharger boost control solenoid circuit low and P0048 turbocharger or supercharger boost control solenoid circuit high. If this video helped you, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more expert car repair tips from IG Garage. See you in the next one.